What's up, you guys? I'm back today with another vlog.
We trust our minds when they're telling lies. Can you see what I'm not saying through my eyes? All I know is love.
Alright, y'all. What's up? I'm back. I figured that if you drink it, you can't drive, baby. Y'all, today we're about to go to our first drive-in movie theater. You guys know I am from New York. I have never been to a drive-in movie before, but we have one here in the city I live in Florida, okay? And I'm so excited. We're about to go pick up the kids. I'm trying to go see that new Addams Family movie. As you can see, it's still light outside. The movie starts at 8 o'clock, so I'm about to just do a little running around before the movie starts. We're going to get the kids, and I don't know, maybe I'll clean my car. I don't know. I have like 2 hours. At 8 o'clock here, is the sun still up at 8 o'clock? I'm trying to think. I can't remember. But I know most of the time you go to the drive-in when it's like dark outside, right?
Yeah.
I think so, right? Anyway, y'all, that's what we're doing. Hey, Papa.
What's good, Josh? Your boy Jig. Holla at me.
Oh, my God.
Go Giants Nation.
Alright, so I just got to Walmart. I have like a quick little grocery pickup. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to New York tomorrow. So I just ordered like a case of water, you know, some snacks, you know, just little stuff here and there, some stuff for the dog, and, you know, just some little stuff. So I'm gonna pick that up real quick and throw it in the trunk. Nothing is like has to be in the refrigerator, so I figured I'd do that real quick before I go pick the kids up. You guys, it is still super hot here. It's like 90 degrees still. I'm like, how does the drive-in work? Do you like leave the car running with the AC, have the windows down? Because it's like really hot. I guess we're about to see and figure that out because it is hot. Okay.
Pick up.
There they go. So now let's roll. Alright, so I'm at the gas station right now. I'm about to fill up just in case if it's too hot and I don't want to leave the windows down, because y'all, it's really hot still here in Florida. So you said that pump isn't working? There's more on. All the pumps are closed? Oh wow. Alright, y'all, so now I gotta go search out some gas. It's always something, y'all, but if I do have to like run the AC, I need to fill up because I'm at like half a tank right now. So, you know, anything for the kids. You know, Auntie Ashley loved the kids. Okay. So you guys, I just went to my P.O. box real quick and look what came. My Dossier perfumes for the month. I am so excited. You guys know Dossier are designer-inspired perfumes, but it's not like the old school cheap alcohol-based perfumes that you remember from back in the day. These are actually European crafted replicas. They smell exactly like the original designer fragrances, and they are a fraction of the price. I think each perfume is like maybe $27, $29. So, yeah, these are really good. They're oil-based. They stay on your skin all day long. They are really good. I love to take these and use these as my car perfumes to refresh my perfume throughout the day if I need to. Let's see what I got this month. So the first one I got is Florential Vanilla. This is the replica of YSL Black Opium. You guys know I do have YSL Black Opium in my collection. It's one of my favorites, okay? Let me smell this real quick and see if it smells exactly the same. So here is the bottle. Another thing I love about their packaging is the fact that their caps are magnetic, which makes it super easy to keep your cap, because sometimes I lose my caps and I hate that, okay? So let's smell if this smells just like the YSL Black Opium. Alright, let's see. Oh my god, yes! This smells exactly the same. I don't know how they do it, but those scientists over there are good. This smells exactly. That's crazy. I don't know how they do that. Oh, wow. Yo, that is crazy. Look at the magnet. You see that? That is so dope. All right, let's see what the other one is. All right, so this one is Floral Honeysuckle. This is the replica of Gucci Bloom. I do not have Gucci Bloom in my collection. I'm usually not really a like flowery, rosy kind of perfume lover. In my collection, most of my perfumes kind of smell the same. I like sexy, spicy, sweet, clean, musky, like super fresh, like sophisticated kind of scents. I don't usually do flowery scents. So let's see how it smells. Here is the bottle. I actually love their bottles. I'm really getting a nice little dossier collection. I really enjoy getting these every month. You guys know I am a perfume collector. Okay, so Floral Honeysuckle Gucci Bloom. Let's see. Okay. You can definitely smell roses in here. This wouldn't be a scent that I would normally pick up for myself, but it doesn't smell bad. If you love flowery kind of perfumes, like if Flower Bomb is your jam, if like Roses and Roses is your jam, you would love this. This is very heavy on the rose smell, but it smells good. I'm gonna have to spray this on my hand, wear it for a little bit, let it mix with my body chemistry, and see how I feel about it. So you guys, go online, take the quiz. I'm sure you'll find a bunch of perfumes that you love already. You'll find new perfumes to try out. I always love to try new things. All right. I love Dossier. They're bomb. They're 100% worry-free. If you don't like it, you can send it back. All the perfumes that you send back, they actually donate to charities, which I think is super bomb. And yeah, use my promo code, get money off. All right, now let's go pick up these kids. Hey,
I close the
ladies.
door.
Hey. Why?
What?
Can you
Hey,
do
the
that
first
phone?
day you guys say is you hungry? I think
Your
there-
headphones
I
charged.
think that they have food there. I seen the menu, but I seen two different kind of menus, so I don't know
Today,
exactly what they have. So I don't know.
I
We
put this
could,
in somewhere.
you know, try and get dinner there, or we can get dinner and bring it there and then get snacks there. I don't
Bring
know.
snacks. Do you have any chargers?
What kind of charger? You mean a plug-in part? I think there's a
Not-
plug-in in there
And where?
inside that armrest. I have one up here too. Two up here, three up here.
Which one? Where?
I missed you guys.
We missed it too. Where is it?
What the? All she worried about is her charger.
I need charge.
Alright, y'all, so I got the kids. Y'all, look at the sky. How pretty is this one? What? You see how the sky looks in my camera? Pretty, right? Alright, so we're on our way to the drive-in. We're trying to get there a little bit early because the thing online said to get there early to get your spot. So we're already like 45 minutes early and we're like 8 minutes away. So hopefully that's enough time. Alright.
And to get our food.
Yes, and to feed these kids because they hungry.
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 I'm about to get angry.
Gosh. Yeah, so Yeah.
Angry.
I'm on it.
Oh, we passed the prom tree.
Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this sky. I'm just showing you the sky. One thing about Florida, they have such beautiful sunsets and sunrises. It's so beautiful.
We passed the palm tree.
Look at
That was
that.
gonna be beautiful.
I think I caught it. All right, y'all. So we just got to the drive-in. That's it right there on the right. There's a bunch of cars. Hopefully we got a spot. I mean, we're early. It's 7:09. The movie starts at 7:45 or 8. But look, there's already a line. So hopefully everything's okay. We get our spot and we get to see our first drive-in movie. Like, I'm so excited. Am I the only one excited? Are y'all excited too? Have you guys been to a drive-in movie before?
No.
No, right? Me either. I'm excited.
Okay. Shouldn't have better something.
Lily be snitching on Bella hard, boy. I mean, it don't feel too bad with the windows open. What y'all think? No, it's not super hot, right?
That's super hot.
Cause yeah, we still didn't go get gas. So I mean, I do have half a tank, but we're gonna have to wing it. We're gonna see. Still in line.
Excuse you.
So we're getting closer to the franchise. This is so freaking cool. That Halloween movie isn't here yet.
Hey, y'all can't even see it.
After it comes out.
And y'all, I don't know if y'all ready for that kind of stuff.
I want
We're watching Addams Family. Okay, so I guess right there, that booth is where we pay for our tickets. So I guess we get it.
I don't.
Right?
Oh,
This is so freaking cool. Where at? This. Oh, I thought there was gonna be somebody here in the booth. Okay. I guess not. This is so freaking cool. Oh, okay, so I guess this right here is the part where you pay. So they have two booths. This is so cool. So it looks like they count how many people are in the car. This is cool. Oh, and it's a radio sound. So instead of how back in the day you used to put the thing on your window on the side of the car, here you turn your radio to a certain channel station, and that's how you hear the movie. So that's pretty cool. This is so cool.
I am 1,000,200.
Also, this is the prices right here. Okay.
I am 1,000 here.
Are you
So,
serious?
listen, Bella, please stop yelling.
Look.
So here it is.
You are adults.
Hi. What are we watching? How many in your car?
4.
4? Any
Yeah.
kids?
Yeah, I have a 10-year-old,
I want to
a
have
8-year-old, and 2 adults.
Okay. The 10-year-old is considered an adult.
Okay.
Alright. And so you have 3 adults and 1 kid?
Okay.
Oh, she's 9 years old.
Okay. Oh, she's not 8. She's 9. No, she's fine.
Okay. So we're 24.
24. All right, here you go.
I'll call you.
Thank you. Go down here and park close to the food spot. Oh, that's the bathroom and stuff. Is that a grill? It's a line to get in there. But where we park at? Which screen is it?
What's it?
That one? Okay. So I guess that's the concession stand. We trying to figure this out. Hold on, Lily. We trying to figure it out, Mama. Yo, this is so freaking cool. I'm going to the stand with the kids. This is so freaking cool.
And photo.
How cool is this? Look at the car. Stop messing up my video. The movie's starting.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Bella, you're as tall as me, yo.
I'll lay that down. You want to actually down? Yeah.
What? And you want a cotton candy?
Yeah. Me too. Lily, want to share? No. Fine. I'm sharing you, Hogger.
This is about to be $100 tab.
I got money. Yeah, I can pay you like, what's in Venom? I lose in the Venom. I can pay you like 20.
Y'all gonna be able to hold all that stuff?
I'm holding my phone.
She's making them. She only has 2 hands. Listen, you're gonna need to calm down, miss. Okay? There's that many people in here. They working fast to get us in and out. Slow your roll. Okay, boo-boo?
Anything else for y'all tonight?
No, that's all.
Hot dog. No, Skittles.
How much is that? Like $100?
42 so far.
42.
Okay. Here are the 4 drinks. This is for your large popcorn. And I need 3 hot dogs once you're done with that hat.
That's my kind. Thank you.
You know what this is?
The Skittle Bite, baby? Somebody go bring 2 of these drinks to the car.
I'll do it.
Because it's going to be too hard for us to carry.
Let me go grab.
Can we get the popcorn?
Number for your pizza really quick.
Alright,
I'm gonna look this hard, okay?
Alright, y'all. So we got some nachos, some hot dogs, popcorn, all kinds of stuff. We ordered a pizza. We got to wait like 10 more minutes for the pizza. They got stuff back there. There goes the movie playing. Okay. I'm just trying to get everybody situated. Y'all hear the movie playing through the radio? This is so friggin' cool. Okay.
You heard me, Lily?
Uh-huh. Can I go this time?
You guys are
Do
gonna
what?
go together.
Get napkins?
For the nap? Yeah, y'all go together.
Right now?
Let's go.
Then once I got...
Alright, so we finally got the pizza. Now we're going back to our spot over there. Yo.
Pizza.
I'm about to give it to you.
I'm gonna stop being greedy.
Yo. In total, everything you've seen I bought, I paid $45. Alright? So it's definitely not as bad as, you know, New York movie theaters. It's very affordable. So 1 big pizza, 4 large drinks, large popcorn, 3 hot dogs, and a nachos, and I think something else, $44. In New York, that would definitely be like $100. But we're heading back to our spot now, so. Really ready. This is so cool. That's supposed to be Snoop.
Don't want to get the party started, plugged and wet. Clubs and mid club is lit, kind of the one of the kinds.
And the movie's over, y'all. Time to roll. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. They are knocked out. Okay. Job well done.
Whoa, don't slip up or get caught.
Why not, man?
I'm coming for that #1 spot.
All right.